In order to create an ebook on Canva, you need to first create a new design. For that, go to canva.com and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, tap on Create a Design in the top left corner of the screen, then search for A4 document or ebook template. And now from this template section, choose a template. Select a ready-made ebook template or start from a blank page. After that, you can add text, images, and icons. Make sure to use consistent fonts and colors. Click on the text option to add any text. And to edit, go to Edit over here, click on Adjust, and go through Settings. You can also go to Elements to make it more attractive and design the cover by making the cover more attractive using the bold text individuals. Select the text and then go ahead and click on this bold option over here. Ensure that the margin, spacing, and the readability are appropriate. And after you're done editing, click on Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Download. Choose PDF Standard or Print. And then click on Download, that is highlighted in purple color. Now you can upload your ebook to platforms like Gumroad or Amazon KDP or share it through email. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.